Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, that was terrible. Happy birthday.
I may have run out of songs to sing. I may have run out of words to say. All that I want you to know is what I feel for you. I love you as endless as forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore. There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in a cold night. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you were mine. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as time keeps going on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hot damn right.
Hi, happy birthday, Teacher Ellie. Wish ko lang ay lagi kang masaya. Kahit hindi ako makakapunta, love pa rin kita. As a friend, lagi kayong masayang magkasama. Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday, Teacher Ellie. Stay beautiful as you are and sexy.
Yes.
Yeah. Teacher Ellie, I wish you na lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay matupad na at magkaroon ka na ng anak in the future. I hope and I pray na magkaroon, and me too. Okay, sa inyo ni Joey, napaka-blessed mo kasi meron kang asawa na napakabait, asawa na napaka-understanding. Gusto ko rin. Joke lang! Anyway, sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo, maging masaya ka. As always, lagi ka nang masaya kahit hindi mo birthday. At sana yung mga problems mo, lahat naman tayo meron, we're always here for you, no matter what happens. At kapag may papagawa ka sa bahay, andito na naman kami! Kung ano yun, papakuin namin, and anything, everything. And Teacher Ellie, sana magkasama na tayo ulit. But I'm not hoping na dyan ako sa Fairview. Anyway, happy birthday at lagi ka namin pinag-pray. Lagi ka namin, kahit malayo ka sa amin, lagi kang malapit sa amin. Kasama ka namin always. Kasi lagi kang kasama sa prayers namin. And stay happy, stay lovely, and stay sexy. I love you, best friend. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Teacher Ellie! Happy birthday again! Para sa akin, ikaw ang award-winning number 1 sa akin. May the God continue to bless your life with good things. Remember, ang laging galit ay tanggal sa grupo. May the joy of the Lord be your strength always. I love you!
Hi, Teacher Ellie, happy birthday! Blow out, blow out. Ano ba sabihin ko? God bless. And more birthdays to come. Mwah. Chup chup. Teacher.
Ellie! Happy!
Birthday.
Love!
You.
Mwah!
Mwah.
God bless!
Happy birthday, teacher!
Sexy!
Okay, we love you! Woo!